Welcome everybody. In this instructional video, I'm going to show you how to put together a migratory top cover. Now, there's a couple different options you have when it comes to top covers. You can use the traditional telescoping cover, which I do not use in my operation, or you can use a migratory cover, which is a little simpler piece of equipment, a little less expensive, and works really well and super easy to assemble on your own. Something you can buy from lots of different manufacturers. I'm going to be showing you how to put together a Dadant a top cover today, a migratory top cover from Dadant. So come along and let's see how we put this together. All right, so what you're going to need for this assembly of this top cover, this migratory top cover, is you're going to need some sort of a hammer. I like to use a mallet or a hammer for this. And I'm only going to be showing you how to use pneumatic equipment on this. This particular piece of equipment, it's not pre-drilled like hive bodies are. And so if you use a hammer and nail without pre-drilling, you run the risk of splitting some of this wood. So I'm going to be using a pneumatic 3-inch nailing gun and a 1.5-inch pneumatic stapler for this particular project. The pieces that you see here, the 3 components here, make up the solid top of the top cover. These 2 pieces here with the dados cut in them, those pieces go on the front and the back, and then these pieces will be mounted to the top. And I'm going to show you how we go about doing that. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to glue up all of these top pieces. And you can see that these are tongue and groove, so they fit inside one of another. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this up. Get a nice bead of glue all the way down there. And then we're going to go ahead and mate it with that middle piece there. Then I'm going to put our next piece on there. Another little bit of glue. Right down that groove. Take our final piece here of the top. Stick that in there. And I'm going to flip it on its edge. Give it a nice tap to make sure everything's nice and together. And then we're going to flip it on the other end to make sure everything's flush. All right. There, the top is now assembled. The next piece of this is going to be to put the front and back on. And you can see that there is a deep edge and a narrow edge. And you want to make sure that those go together. The deep edge is going to be the edge that you're going to put that second piece of wood next to. And I'm going to show you that here in just a moment. But let's first get our 2 end pieces glued up here. Get it in there, and you might need to use a little hammer to tap it down. Again, you want to make sure it's flush, so put it on the edge. Give it another little tap there so it's nice and flush. We'll go ahead and put our other piece on. Make sure, again, that those tops and bottoms, the narrow and the deep piece, are on the same side. So you can see both of the deep sides are here. Put that piece in there. Line it up. Going to go ahead and tap it down. Again, making sure everything's nice and flush. Okay, so now that's together. We're ready to staple these pieces in now. And this is what I use the 3-inch nailer for. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get our piece here, take my nail gun, flip it around. All right, so those are all nailed in now. We're going to flip it back over to that deep side. You can see I got a stray nail right there. I'm going to go ahead and use my hammer here. Tap that down nice and firm. Does not have to be perfect. This is not fine woodworking. This is beekeeping. All right, so the next piece is we're going to put these 2 pieces on right here. They go right along that. All right, so we're going to glue those up. Nice little bit of glue on there. On each one here. Glue that up as well. We're going to switch over to our pneumatic stapler. And we're just going to put a few staples in here. And there we go. that is our migratory top cover. Nice, easy way to save some money and a great device for your beekeeping endeavors. I love the migratory top covers just because they're a little less expensive. To be honest, the bees don't care whether it's telescoping or migratory. As long as it keeps the elements out, that's all you need to worry about. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you at the next one.